What the fuck is going on over here? Let's go walk in. There's a guy doing some weird shit over here.
You guys like comedy?
What the hell? Let's watch him for a couple minutes. Yo, dude, what you doing? Oh my God. Yo, dude, what you doing?
What's your business? What's your problem?
Oh my God, that shit look like a rock. Yo, dude, you putting rocks in your stomach? Oh my God, yo, dude.
What? I'm eating.
Yo, but you putting a rock in your stomach. You're dipping the rock inside some food and putting it in your stomach.
This is how we do it in Africa. What's your business? Mind your business.
Yo, you nuts, man. Let me call the loony bin on you right now. Hold on a second. Let me call this loony bin. Yo, you really eating a rock and putting it in your stomach right now. Yo, you see this shit? He's putting a rock in his stomach.
Buddy, bro.
Yo, he dipping the rock inside the thing and putting it in his stomach right now. Yo, he's really putting that ping pong ball in his stomach.
Go away, let me enjoy myself. This is how we do it in Africa. You crazy?
Man, you in America right now, man. You can't be doing that.
What do you want to do?
I'm calling the loony bin for you.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm in Manhattan. Yeah, I'm on the corner of 41 and 7th, let me see, 43rd and Pedestrian Plaza. There's a dude eating rocks. Eating rocks.
What do you think I'm doing?
Eating rock. He eating the rock. He literally eating the rock. He dipping the rock in the sauce and putting rock in the thing.
This is Africa. This is how we do it in Africa.
Yeah, he keeps saying he in Africa, but this is America. Keeps saying he's in Africa. This is America. Yeah, he's gonna be about He's sitting down right now. He's wearing like a green and black, green, black, and orange jumper with with some beads and an orange hat.
You saw we wear parachute?
Yeah, that's parachute. That's a jumper outfit. It's America. We don't wear no jumper outfits.
This is how we do it in Africa.
Yo, but I keep telling you, you in America, man. It's New York City.
Who you calling?
Man, I call in the loony bin for you, man. You gotta get checked in. I call in the loony bin. You gotta get checked in, man.
Get out of here, man.
Call in the loony bin.
Yo, listen.
Uh-oh.
This is how we do it. I'm gonna shoot you. You better leave me alone.
Oh shit. Yeah, he got a weapon too. He pulled out a weapon. He pulling a long stick out. Some long stick. Oh shit, he just hit me with the long stick.
You said I'm committing a suicide. Are you saying I'm eating food? He said I'm committing a suicide.
Yo, he just folded a rock.
Yeah, that's the way we eat in Africa. So
Yo, but he folded a rock. Like you saying this is how he eat in Africa?
yes, we fold it like a rock and swallow it.
Man, but that's like Play-Doh. He playing with Play-Doh. Like, he playing with Play-Doh. What you mean
He said we are parachute.
Yo, but that's parachute. It's a parachute jumper.
Somebody help me talk to this guy. I'm from Africa. I'm eating my food.
But dude, I just told you you in New York, man. This ain't Africa.
Police, please come help me. Wait, please. This guy is bothering me. Police, please help me.
Man, they ain't coming for you. They but one coming soon.
Food. I'm from Africa. I'm eating food. Somebody help me, please.
Just eat now and keep eating.
I'm eating food. He said I'm committing suicide.
Yo, he eating rocks.
Sorry.
I told you he put rocks in his stomach. It's like ping pong balls.
You know what? Go.
Okay. Only in America, crazy ass motherfuckers.